In the previous class, we have discussed about the vegetative reproduction in the diatoms. So in pennales and centrales, the vegetative reproduction occurs by binary fission or mitosis. And the sexual reproduction is different in both of them. So let us see the sexual reproduction in diatoms. Sexual reproduction in diatoms. There are two types. They are pennate and centric type of diatoms. So in pennate type of diatoms, sexual reproduction occurs by a process called conjugation. So this is the sexual type of reproduction in pennate type of diatoms. And in centric type of diatoms, there is a gamete formation in sexual type of reproduction. Gamete formation. Let's see the pennate type of reproduction. Sexual type of reproduction in pennales, that is conjugation. So for this conjugation, we need two cells of diatoms, one bigger and one smaller. So let us say the bigger one is male one and the smaller one is female one, and both of these cells are in diploid condition. Okay, now in conjugation, both of these cells come closer to each other. So come closer to each other, and there is a thick mucilaginous cover which is surrounding them. This is the thick mucilaginous cover. Thick mucilaginous cover. And next, the cell walls gets degenerated. Cell walls get degenerated or disintegrated. So this is a thick mucilaginous cover and the cytoplasmic content with the nucleus. These are in diploid condition and they are still covered by the mucilaginous sheath. And now they undergo meiosis. This diploid nucleus, both of these diploid nucleus undergo meiosis. And one meiosis of one diploid nuclei yields 4 haploid nuclei. So both of the diploid nucleus yields 4 plus 4 haploid nuclei. 4 haploid nuclei. And still they are covered by a thick mucilaginous sheath. And now, of these 4 haploid nuclei, 2 nuclei gets degenerated. 2 nuclei gets degenerated. And this is the thick mucilaginous cover. Now, the remaining 2 nuclei, mucilaginous cover, and the remaining 2 nuclei, they get paired to each other. And this results in the formation of diploid oxospores. Mucilaginous cover, and these are diploid conditioned oxospores. Oxospores. And each of the oxospore results into a normal sized diatom. And it is going to develop its own membranes or cell walls, epitheca and hypotheca. This is the conjugation in which the one bigger and one smaller cell yields 2 normal sized cells. And in centric type of diatoms, the gamete formation, that is sexual reproduction, occurs in the form of gamete formation. So now let us take one bigger and one smaller cell. This is the cytoplasmic content with nucleus, and let us say this is the male one and this is the female cell. Now both of these cells are in diploid condition and they undergo meiosis and they form gametes. So male one yields the gametes such as biflagellated spermatozoa, and the female one yields single egg. So these are in haploid condition. So both of these haploid conditioned gametes fuse. Fertilization takes place and this results in the formation of the oxospore. And this oxospore is now going to develop into a normal sized diatom. So in both the cases, there are normal sized diatoms at the end of the processes. So this is the sexual reproduction which occurs in the pinnate and centric type of diatoms. So in the next class, we will discuss about the dinoflagellates.